Hello everyone, my name is Fyodor. I've been studying in Igor's 3D modeling course for almost 2 years now. I want to sincerely thank him for patiently teaching us how to properly and carefully apply textures to our models, how to accurately create shapes in the correct way, and also for thoroughly teaching us the art of sculpting as well as SC and many other things you can encounter in Blender. Blender has a lot of possibilities. I think that if you want to study to become a 3D animator, I recommend this profession. For example, I've already started my own YouTube channel and I'm posting my animations there. Or you could choose to become an engineer. Honestly, there's nothing specific I can single out that I liked most about 3D modeling. But overall, that's it. I liked everything. Well, thank you for listening. Goodbye. Good luck.